If you will be a champion, if you will be a beast, you're gonna have to go through something. Ain't nobody gonna hand you nothing. Ain't nobody gonna hand you no championship. Ain't nobody gonna hand you no title.
If every decision and choice you make is just about you, at a certain point you're gonna hit something that's a lot tougher than you. It's gonna make you quit because you don't have a driving force for why you do what you do.
Your mouth is a creative weapon. It's not a tool for distributing excuses.
Wins and losses come a dime a dozen. But effort, nobody can judge effort. Because effort is between you and you.
The first sign of a loser is an excuse. Champions take full responsibility, good or bad, for their outcomes. Tell the world one time what you're gonna do, and that's it. Spend less time talking and more time grinding. Think like a champion, speak like a champion, and then walk it out. Grind 120 all day, every day. Stop making excuses.
Is Brooklyn in here tonight?
Right here, big. Your boy sitting Sitting on top like a hair wig, Bed-Stuy fly, Bushwick sick. East New York walk, the Brownsville grill, ill. You see, I got a Fort Greene lean, Clinton Hill chill, Red Hook look, man. Ain't no shook hands in Brooklyn. Son, your life can get took, man. And through all bridges, one hard top, two soft. Ride through the borough with 2-4 fizzes. Phantom open up like 2-door fridges. I make them change the New York digits from 718 to 187. The 212 to 211. Your boy's back with a new one, son.
Come on. New York, New York. New York, New York. New York, New York.
I see you, Brooklyn. What it look like?
I'm right here, fab, waving the flag, I'm so Nostradamus. I came to take the game and my daddy can't change. Gave it up smooth, ain't wanna hear the bang. Bang, I'm back on my bully. That Flatbush, Bushwick, black hoodie. $500 million in the bankroll. Bank stop anybody, what's your bank? Big B's on the wheel, spread love the Brooklyn way. B, how's it feel? I'm on my Robin Thicke. Ever get stick, back to Robin, quick, trick, Annie up, oh you Britney, pull your panties up, whole barrel is with me, hold your cannons up, buck one for Bucktown, Brooklyn, what the come on.
East New York, Brooklyn, king of all boroughs, we so thorough. I'm right here, ho. East New York, Uncle Murder feeling good. I hooked up with Jigga, got my grandma out the hood. All see is back now looking. Now they can't say Jay inside of Brooklyn. Where Brooklyn at? Where Brooklyn at? Somebody up or getting off them packs, or going to the club looking for something to gap, or running up in your crib like where to say that. East New York, shit they gap you, homie. Brownsville, a robbery, they clap you, homie. Bed-Stuy, get you killed for 100. Get a Coney Island, to pull the trigger, man. Ask Flex, who used to run the tunnel. Brooklyn had dudes scared to rep they borough. Uncle Murder, I'm a rep to the fullest. Like signing the club, I throw bullets.
Son, it's a like it or not thing. Know what I mean? This one is for Brooklyn. I'm in my Bed-Stuy fly, you know. Bushwick sick. I walk that East New York walk. Brownsville grill. Got my Fort Greene lean. Clinton Hill chill. Red Hook look. That Flatbush push. Know what I mean? Cypress Hill feel. Crown Heights tight with it. The Williamsburg swerve. Coney Island styling on it. Canarsie flossing. Park Slope dope, you know? You dig?